So, I talk a lot about the difference between a payroll service and a payroll software. And at Valor Payroll Solutions, we are a payroll service working alongside you to make sure that your payroll is accurate. My name is Christina Haganey, and I'm the president of Valor Payroll Solutions. We help small business owners with their payroll. So, right now, this actually just happened today. We had a client email some new benefit deductions. They had just set up some Aflac plans. Now, the owners, which are both S-Corp owners, were included on this new benefit census with pre tax deduction amounts listed. So, if you were working with just a normal payroll service software, you might have reached out and said, "Hey, we need to get these set up," or "How do I get these into the system?" But no one would have stopped to consider the fact that this is an S Corp and that the owners aren't allowed to take pre tax deductions. So instead, we sent the owner a quick link to the IRS's page that discusses this and asked them if they wanted to double check with either AFLAC or their CPA to confirm. What we suggested instead was to have the business pay the owner's premiums and then include that amount along with their health insurance premiums at year end to report it as taxable income on their W 2. So, again, there's a huge difference between utilizing a software and accessing their support, asking for help on how to do specific things versus working with a service provider that gets to know your company and can catch things like this before they become an issue. If we weren't there, the client probably would have just set up the deductions and gone on, not knowing or understanding that as S Corp owners, they really shouldn't be taking any pre tax deductions for any benefits. So, as always, if you have questions, please feel free to drop them below or reach out online at valorpayrollsolutions.com. We work with a ton of S Corp owners, and we know there's a lot of confusion that comes along with being an S Corp, not just on the deduction side, but how often to pay yourself, what to pay yourself, paying your children, all sorts of things that just go into processing payroll. We're here to help. Reach out. Don't hesitate if you have questions. That's what we're here for. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.